I'm Megan. I'm Marika. And I'm here to show you some BA stunts for scootering. Let's go!
At the end of the driveway? You know, it's filming right now, right? Where are we putting it?
Okay, just 1 second. I'm gonna do this trick.
Whoa!
Yeah!
That's how we do it in our neighborhood. Oh!
Yeah!
Psych them out.
Yeah.
No. Oh!
Yeah, there.
It's still recording. Can I use your earphones? Got some pretty massive shocks there. You'll be able to land some good air. What? Total domination. I think the audience deserves some donuts. Yep. Yeah! Come on!
That's just a sample.
Where would that came from?
Yep. Yep.